If you have an invite for a Microsoft Teams meeting, you have a few ways to join. From your calendar, select Join on an in-progress meeting. Choose the audio and video settings you want, then select Join Now to enter the meeting. And you're in the meeting. In your email invite, select Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. You can download the app from here if you want to, or join on the web. Next, type your name. When you're ready, choose your audio and video settings and select Join Now. Depending on the meeting settings, you'll get in right away or go to the lobby where someone in the meeting can admit you.